Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Rebel Woods Trading Plan video. I am your host, Jojo Woods, and we will jump right into the ES S&P 500 chart. Before that, however, please remember this video is for educational purposes only and not professional investment advice. I am not a financial advisor. So our trading plan from yesterday, we did say that our levels were still valid. One thing we are always aware of is that once levels are tested multiple times, they do tend to become weaker. So as we could see from yesterday, our neutral zone had been tested prior to yesterday's breakthrough. So we did not expect that to hold, and it ended up traveling down to the demand level here. Same thing today with our supply level having been tested once and twice before. We did not expect this to hold should price come through, and as you can see, it did come almost a pullback through that zone, but finally it did in fact break through. And as stated, once price went higher, since we do not have any structure here to the left, we did not have a trading plan for that. What that does do, however, is set up some new structure, new levels for next week that we will be able to trade off of. So a new trading video will be uploaded later today. So again, price opened up right above the neutral zone here. It did travel up to the supply zone, about 30 minutes of meandering in the supply zone before finally breaking through. So it did not trade back to the neutral zone as we stated it may, but that is obviously due to being tested a couple of times prior. And as we know, supply zones or demand zones become weaker the more times they are tested. So what this will do is form new structure for us, a new level for the upcoming new levels for the upcoming week that we'll be able to draw on the chart. So for this week, these levels are no longer valid. We'll be looking at the chart a little bit later this either today or over the weekend, and have another video up with new levels for the upcoming week. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.